Fix the WhatsApp call not showing on display. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this very problem of yours. So even if you are an Android user or an iPhone user, the steps are same. So make sure you follow the steps to overcome it. So firstly, go to the very WhatsApp icon. Tap on the very three eye icon right there. Scroll a little bit down where you will see the very option of notifications right there. Tap on the notification. Make sure you have allowed all the notification and it is not on the silent mode. You can simply lock screen notification if you want to, but make sure you have not locked it, and tap on the very pop-up allowed option, and then you can simply tap on allowed option for everything right here. After that, you can simply go to the setting option of your phone. After you go to the setting option of your phone, go to the notification option from here as well. So after just going to the notifications option on your settings, if it is to do not disturb mode or silent mode, then you can simply tap on the notification sound and then you can make it the sound like this. You can just turn the vibration off and tap on the very system sound and everything is enabled very properly. If it is in do not disturb mode on, then just go on the very notification bar and turn the do not disturb mode off, and just like that your problem might be solved. Now what you can also do is you can simply go to the WhatsApp section and then reset if there is any recent update available here. Check for the updates, but if there is no update available, you can simply update your phone as well if there is any update available. If not, then simply switch off your phone and turn it on again and your problem should be solved now. So if it is solved, then please do thumbs up and subscribe our channel and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.